Before we get into the actual dynamic form rules, let's start with just the homeowner's insurance policy rules and the syntax, the logic that we built within Corticon Studio, ultimately generating that into a decision service bundle JavaScript file. And what we're seeing here is the template HTML page showing how to call that JavaScript function from this HTML end client page. And this will just show how I can execute a given payload and within the context of this one web page, make a call to that JavaScript file and return the payload from those rules. I'm going to paste an initial sample payload that is very similar to what we showed a moment ago. This time I have information just pre-filled out about a property in Massachusetts, some pre-configured levels of optional coverages and the value of those coverages. And so everything here is just specific again to that prototypical type of decision that we would think of with the rules engine, taking data in and evaluating, changing, and producing new data based upon the rules that we define. So when I hit run, we'll see at a click of a button, I'll have all this new or changed data based upon the input payload being evaluated through those rules that I have created within Corticon Studio. Now we're going to start with talking about how to create the rules which will execute and produce this sort of prototypical decision, this JavaScript bundle that is executing the type of pricing for the homeowner's insurance. And then we'll build upon that in order to show how we can not just evaluate data that's fed in and probably captured somewhere else along the way, but how we can actually have Corticon be the driver of what inputs are being requested from the end user and how to, at each step of a form, evaluate not just the values that maybe we have pre-populated, but also evaluate based upon values that the end user has provided along the way.